Listen up, guys. Before we break down Bed Bath & Beyond stock and how it's crushing it so far today, make sure you guys get up to 15 free stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, by using that link down below or by simply going to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of the 4 stocks, on top of the 1 stock, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below or simply go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond stock. So check it out. It's currently around 12:15 p.m. when I'm making this video, and Bed Bath & Beyond stock is trading over 30 cents per share. Actually, over 31 cents per share, up over 3% so far on the day. And you guys want to hear something crazy? Earlier in the day, it was up to almost 36 cents per share. Yes, you heard that right. 36 cents per share. And that happened in the first 10 minutes of trading. I mean, you guys can see we opened up the day at around 31, 32 cents, and we shot up all the way to 36 cents, meaning we were up almost 17%, actually over 17% at one point in time. We're talking over 5 cents in the green, which is great. And right now, intraday, where are we? At 31.5 cents, as it is about 12:15 on the East Coast, and we have pulled back a little bit. You guys can see around, 10, 11%, almost 12%. So we have shaken out some weak hands, if you will, and the uptrend right now is holding. Even though we're pulling back, that uptrend is still holding. You guys can see on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see it on the intraday chart. It is pretty obvious to me that we're holding this trend, right? And honestly, you can see it even better on the 5-day, 5-minute. So at this point in time, guys, this is going to be a huge spot for the bulls. Where we are now, 30 cents, 31 cents, 32 cents. This is where I'm going to see if we get buyers to come in and maybe we make another move off this moving average being around the 180 SMA on this 5-day, 5-minute, which, mind you guys, has held over the past couple of days. You can see pretty much all week, and we've talked about this before, but I'll mention it again. Pretty much all week, guys, Bed Bath & Beyond stock's been doing very well. We started off at around 17, 18 cents on Monday morning. We ran to about 22 cents. Then on Tuesday, we got to about 26 cents. Then on Wednesday, we got to about 27 cents. Thursday, yesterday, we got to about 31 cents. And today, we hit 36 cents. That's the high, at least as of now. And you guys are getting the trend, right? Every day, we're taking out the highs from the previous day, and we've done very well throughout the course of this week, to the point where we pretty much have doubled up since last Friday. Last Friday, the stock was trading at 18 cents. I think it hit a low of 16 cents. And now, again, we hit 36 cents today, which is clearly a double up from 16 cents. We're talking a move of 125%. And like I covered in my video yesterday on Bed Bath & Beyond stock, guys, this thing is up way more than just that. Way more than just that, because you guys probably remember when it got delisted off the NASDAQ exchange, it got down to 4 cents. That was the first day, I believe, it was trading OTC. Yeah, around 4.5 cents. And now it got to 36 cents. Now we're talking a move of 650%. And what did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? The first spot that we were going to test was the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which was right around 30, 31 cents that we broke out of earlier today. So we clearly, took that out. And what else did I tell you guys? I told you guys after that, we would be testing 35, 36 cents, which was the high from the end of April. Do you guys remember that? I mean, I'm not pulling this stuff out of my you-know-what. I literally said this in these videos, guys. We broke these charts down, which is why you have to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you might as well hit the like button while you're at it. We broke all this stuff down, guys. So we broke out of the 180 SMA at 30 cents. We ran at 35, 36 cents, which again was the high from the end of April. Now we're testing that point, and if we do break that level, in my humble opinion, guys, this could be getting ready to make a move maybe towards the 40 to 50 to 55 cent range. And yes, that is a wide range, but that's where it traded at during the middle end of April. You guys can see here, and this is actually before we got the Chapter 11 bankruptcy announcement, which was on the 23rd of April. You guys probably remember that. So we had a lot of hype in the middle end of April when it comes to the stock. It went from 23 cents on the 17th of April all the way to 57 cents by the 19th, so it doubled up and some in the span of about a day or two. And again, that's when we got the announcement. I remember it like it was yesterday. I mean, it wasn't that long ago. It was only a month ago. I think I was at my cousin's dance recital or whatever, and I got the notification. It was on Saturday or Sunday. I forget exactly, but either way, that they're filing for bankruptcy, and I was like, holy crap, here we go. I have to make a video on it. I made a video on it afterwards, and the rest is history. Here we are, guys. Again, it got delisted and went to 4 cents, and now we're starting to recover, and we're right by the 180 SMA. We're at 31 cents now. Let's see what happens moving forward here on BBBYQ. So I'm going to set some alerts, guys, and I advise you to set alerts as well. Well, actually, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but I'm going to set these alerts for myself, and you guys can do whatever the heck you want to do. So I'm going to set one at 32 cents. Mark is at or above. Let me do that now, 32 cents, and I'll do another one at, let's say, 37 cents. We'll put it at 37 cents. Mark is at or above, and we'll see where it goes from there. Again, if we break 37 cents, the high from the end of April, 20th, 21st of April, whenever it was, that's where we could be seeing another move, 50 cents, maybe even higher. That's what I think, guys. I don't know. Call me crazy in the comments if you want. That's fine. You could do whatever you want. Let me know. Hit the dislike button if you want. That's cool as well. But that's what I believe. And this stock's been crushing it, guys. And we've been nailing the call-outs. Not to toot my own horn, but we've been nailing the call-outs. And I'm going to be continuing to hold on to my shares. And I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and let's quickly take a look here at the overall stock market today, which, holy moly, guys, it is up in a major way. We have the NASDAQ up a whopping 2.3%, which is leading the green right now. And let me see. I mean, this is definitely breaking above 340. Yeah, well above 340 at one point. Well, now it's at 347, and the high is actually pretty much where we are now. Yeah, this has been uptrending pretty much all day, straight out of the gate. Like I said, you guys can see we're at a high on the 4-hour chart here. We're probably pushing a yearly high. Yeah, we're at a yearly high now, which is nuts. We took out the highs from August like that, no problem. We cut through those highs like butter. That was easy. And now on the 3-year chart, you guys are going to see the next main resistance, let me see here, is probably right around 365 to 370 roughly, which is where we were back in March of last year. So that could be where we go next. But honestly, guys, I'm not going to lie. I think we're going to get a pullback before that, but who knows? I mean, this thing does not look like it wants to pull back, at least as of now, but we're probably going to get one either way at some point in the near-term future. Stocks like Amazon today are crushing it, 5% in the green. Adobe's up, Netflix is up, AMD's up. I mean, you name it, guys. Big tech is crushing it, which is why the NASDAQ is on fire, and the S&P for that matter, and the overall markets. I mean, the Russell's up 0.9, Dow's up 0.9, S&P's up 1.2% as the VIX is down 7.2%. Let me actually pull up SPY and see what that's doing. So, yeah, SPY, you guys probably remember we hit 420 a couple days ago, went back under it to 410. We broke under 417, which was a big level of resistance, right? And now we're pretty much right back above 417. We're pushing 420, and this looks like, in my opinion, it wants to test the highs from the middle of this month, really just about from a week ago, being about 420, 421. And if we break those highs, guys, we could finally be going towards the highs from August, which you guys know Triple Q is already well above its highs from August, but SPY is not quite there yet. It's actually lagging the NASDAQ right now. SPY is still about $12 off the 431 high from August, but if we do break that 420 level, guys, we could be going straight to 431 like that. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. And if you guys want to get 12 more stocks from Webull, that's also linked down below, or go to StasSurFest.com/Webull. Deposit any amount of money, you get a bunch of stocks from them as well. Check out my Patreon as well if you guys are interested. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.